Hello.
Hi.
So,
Aging. Sorry.
hey, Raghu. Let me just share this agenda doc. Is my screen?
Yeah, things come up. Yep.
Okay.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Yeah, my last name is Palmero. I can write in the chat. I see you taking notes.
Okay. You say that's the first name, right? Okay. I was
Yeah,
wondering. I was just it looks like the first name and last name are the same.
yeah, Palmero is the last name. Marisol is the first name.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know if you can type, you can type this one. I'm not sure.
Oh,
Hi,
I write it in
everybody.
the chat.
Hello. I think we can get started. We're already 5 minutes past. So I think let's see. Okay, did you put your okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Let me add it there. Okay. So yeah, let's get started. Thanks everyone for joining the meeting today. So today it looks like we have a few new people, right? If this is the first time you're joining, you want to just briefly introduce yourself?
This is my first time. It's Marisol Palmero here. I
Okay.
don't have that much experience with CNCF. We have been writing or helping to write the paper that is now in the process to be published, and that's why I'm joining this call just for the review purpose.
Okay, great.
It's about sustainability, and we wrote a paper on the framework for sustainability and AI. And yeah, I'm part of the TAG AI as a participant. I have been joined the communities in December last year.
Oh, okay. Okay, welcome.
Thank you.
Anyone else?
Hi. I
Hey.
am Ridla Chilakamari. I work as a product manager and in an enterprise product-based company. This is my very first call in the tag, and I would like to contribute wherever I can and learn along the lines. And yeah.
Great. Welcome. Okay. Don't know if I think Lawrence, you joined before, right? Did you? I
Yeah, I've joined a
Oh,
couple of
okay.
times before.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm Larry Bordwitz. I'm a maintainer on the CNCF Sandbox project, OpenTofu. And I'm joining to see things and see if I can maybe keep appraised of things.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I know Raghu, I know you have already joined a few times. All right, so okay, let's look at the agenda. I think the tech leadership election is open since Monday. I think there was some tech chair position. Yeah, so basically nomination closed on May 26th. Yeah, so I added the issue link there. And okay, let's just look at the initiatives that we have and give an update. So the first one is Social Landscape White Paper V3. So this one, I think I have finished the changes that are needed, and I pinned Alex to update the diagram. I have not heard from him yet, so I need to remind him of that. So that's the first initiative. Actually, if you want to look at here, that's the issue here. Yeah, we have it here. And then the next initiative is the data storage in cognitive AI white paper. So we have already submitted a PR. So it is ready for review. If you want to help review, it is here. Sorry, this is the issue, but the paper is actually here. So let's see, have we get any review yet? Let's see, okay, I don't think we got any review yet.
Hey, one update I want to make, Jing, is that the section that I had updated the section based on what you said last time.
Okay.
Added the references and cleaned out the language.
Okay.
So I don't know if you just if you're okay, just kind of scan through that place to be sure that I'm putting it in the right place.
Okay, you added in the Google Doc, right? So I have
Yeah,
not
in the Google Doc, yeah,
chance.
but
I
there are
can.
so many links I have that.
Yeah, I will. Okay, I think I
Just
need
put it up
to
now. I just want to be sure that it shows up on your
Sure,
side.
let me see. Okay, I think
Go down to
this
yeah,
one.
that's the one. Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah.
you have to make a lot of changes. Okay. So
If
I
you're okay, yeah, if you want to
I
review
will
and say
incorporate
okay,
that. Yeah. Only this, right? Only the section, right? Yeah, okay.
it's on that. All of that is in that section.
Okay, sure. This way it will be easy for me just to replace
Yes.
the one. Yeah, okay, I will do that.
And
Yeah.
I think your
Thank you.
action was to add some references, so I added the references.
Yes, that would be awesome. That would be this way it's consistent throughout.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, I think it's looking good.
I know that Alicia has also added that for her section. I wonder this. Okay, I think I need to pin this. I don't think this section has anything. Okay, I need to pin this person because I don't know. Okay, I need to try to pin this person who's not because he has not really joined this tech call. So I need to try and see if I can find him on Slack. Maybe let's see if I let me see if I can ping him here, see if he can actually reply. Okay. Okay, I'll see if you can see it. Otherwise, I need to find him on the Slack. All right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And I also asked a question in the TOC channel just to see if this format is okay. I have not got an answer yet. We need to pin them again. Maybe they're busy. Yeah. So that's this one, right? But definitely, so definitely this is ready for review. So the way this is laid out, there is an overview section. And then in the overview section also has a link to each subsection. So but each one of those can be also independent. Yeah.
Oh,
So
this format looks slightly different from the other file you showed, right? So this green thing just picks up from the other one.
yes, yeah. So I was initially asked you to add your comment, but it's okay. You already put it in there. So
I put it in that white one.
last time we tried to ask you to just add your comment directly here. You added it. That's okay. I would basically your section is here. Oh, where's your section? Pipeline. Okay, this one, right? So I will just update that, with your new thing. Replace.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
Truthfully, I don't even know how to update this green box. So
Oh, no, you need to submit a PR.
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah,
Sorry.
that's okay. I will do that. Yeah.
My kind of limits are up to the Word file, up to the Google Doc
Oh
file.
yeah, no, no problem. Yeah. I thought this is because we want to get it started, right? Otherwise, it's kind of forever there. Here, everyone can review it. We can also ask TOC to take a look. Yeah, that's why, we moved it to here. We basically just want to ask them, hey, if they're talking about this limitation, right? They want short paper. I think each one of this can be a short paper. So I don't know if this format is acceptable. If they want something else, if they really want each one to be like more formally a short paper, we can also make it more look like a. Let's see how this one look like.
So in the data pipelines, the one that I put, so it doesn't pick up automatically. You need to go transfer it from them.
Yeah. This
Okay.
is not these two are not linked. Yeah.
Okay.
That's okay. I can just
Okay.
I
Thank
will just
you.
copy and paste. It's not that hard. Yeah. So
If it makes it easy, you can just copy the entire with the references and
I'll
the
just copy
footnotes.
the
You
whole.
can,
I will copy the whole
yeah.
thing. Yeah. No, it's not hard at all. Okay. Yeah. So like right now, right? If you so this section, uh, yeah, if you just look at it independently, it will just be a very short section, right? So that's why I want to ask them, right? They're talking about this something like less than 5 pages. So like each one of those is less than 5 pages. It's 1 to 5 pages definitely. I just want to ask them if this is okay or if they want this one to be a little bit different, right?
Yeah. I think if you look at the left side, I think the lake houses, mesh pipelines, and maybe databases, right? All of that could be
Each one is yeah, it just has
combined. And
separate.
if you want to combine it, I mean, I don't know how much you want to separate versus how much you want to keep it together.
So
But
yeah, I was looking at this layout. Seems to be because I look at this one, it's that so that's some comment that you can add, right, Raghu? So if you think, hey, some of this maybe you know what, why don't you review this? The link is in here. Okay, let me. So let's see. Just go to. So I put in the chat. Yeah. So please review if you have comments. If you think it's better to combine some sections. We could do that, right? If that makes sense.
oh, when I say combine, I just thought if you want to just bring it up together, like if you want to just keep it to the 5 page limit of say what the TOC is saying, you
Oh, so
can,
this is no, the whole thing, of course, is more than 5 pages, right? The whole thing.
yeah.
But if you want to combine some of this, like for example, if you say lake house and the pipeline, if they go together, we could do that. When I was looking at that, I don't see they are kind of tightly coupled. That's why I was
No, 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 no,
separate
no.
them.
They just
Okay.
logically flow together. That's all. No,
Okay.
they're not.
Yeah.
There's no repeats or anything. It's just that they logically
Okay.
flow together. So that's why I said if you want to just
Yeah.
logically bunch four or five becomes 5 pages, 3 pages, 5 pages, then you can just
No, they don't want it to be longer. It's just 5 pages the maximum.
right.
Yeah. 1 page is good, right? So that's why I asked them the question. Let's wait for some see and see what they say. Yeah. Some of those maybe they can be in one doc, right? But that's why I need if you
Yeah, like
can
for example, if you look at hardware, software, co-design,
oh
and
this is
network
probably
management, right? Network management after
this
that,
should
that's
be
like
just
quite different from
that's
the
quite
data
different. That's
stuff.
just one. Yeah, that's definitely just one. Yeah.
That's different, totally different.
Yeah.
Training.md and all
Some
that.
of this can, yeah, but yeah, but I think I was afraid it can be too long. That's why I did kind of just right now I just separated them. But maybe they're not that long. Yeah. Could be. Yeah, maybe they're actually like but if we put all of them together, it will be a little long. I think it will be probably longer than 5 pages. Because this is more like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. So that's why I kind of separated them. But that's something that, can get some feedback and see how to better organize this.
I mean, databases could be on its own, right? Because they are like all independent.
Databases, yeah, but databases, but
And yeah, lake
those
houses
are related, right? So those can be together.
together, right?
Yeah, this is probably separate. Yeah. Um,
So when now that hopefully, I mean, because when they look at this, they'll say they're saying going to see 20, 25 pages, right? Does it make sense, Jing, for you to then take a leadership on this and say, hey, let me just, bunch these together, 4 or 3 topics together, right? Take lake houses and databases and say, I'm just going
we
to post
could,
it.
yeah, but
Get get
I want to first get their feedback first, just to like this format is okay because each one is actually separate one, right?
Yes.
So, but if they want to, for example, if they want to make this one more like a independent paper, if they want something else, then we can add to here. But this one is independent paper. If you look at this one, right? Just talk about it. I would just one example, right? But so that's why I want let's wait for some feedback from TOC. Yeah. Hey,
So when
Dylan.
should we expect that feedback from TOC?
Yes, yeah.
When should we expect it?
There's no timeline. That's the thing, right? You pin them and wait.
Huh. Okay.
Yeah, so I'll pin them again.
It's something that can be brought up. The TOC has public meetings every first and third Tuesday of the month. So anyone is able to join. So if you want to bring it up in those meetings, you can. They just held elections for new TOC members. So I think part of it is they're a little distracted right now with offboarding and onboarding new TOC members. So that's probably what their focus is on right now rather than the usual triage. But there's a lot of good enthusiasm, I guess I would say, for as we head into both tag chair nominations and both tech lead nominations and elections here soon.
Yeah, that's okay. I know they could be busy. I think I will pin. Yeah, I'll pin our liaison. So okay, Karina actually the liaison. Okay, I'll pin them. Yeah, I'll pin them because I think I can wait a little bit. Maybe wait until the election is over because I think they can be a little bit busy with those. Yeah. So okay. And the next one, infrastructure life cycle. So Dylan, you're here now. So you have any update on this life?
I've been working with Thomas and Bruno. We don't have any specific updates in terms of progress, but it's been a lot of what I would say paperwork, bureaucracy. I set up a separate Zoom meeting for the group. There's a separate channel. The original time didn't work out for Thomas and Bruno, so they requested that I change it. So the next meeting next month, and they meet once a month, is set for a later time, 8 p.m. UTC, which is I think 2 p.m. If I can do time zone math right, I think that's 2 p.m. Eastern. So it's a bit later, but it came at their request. That is kind of the status up there. Is still kind of a bit in a holding pattern. I plan on being at the KCD, the Community Days in New York in a few weeks, and I'll be doing a lightning talk about the tag. So I'm going to be kind of trying to do. I'm essentially going to be trying to get new contributors for all of our initiatives, encourage people to propose initiatives, and just kind of join the tag. So I'm hopeful that even though Thomas and Bruno are the ones leading this, they've been a little bit busy as of late themselves. And unfortunately, I do not have the bandwidth to really kind of, take the lead on this, which is fine. I don't think my role is to take the lead on this. It's just to make sure things progress. So I think the best use of my time is just to try and recruit more possible contributors to the initiatives.
So I actually see this the PR get merged, which sets the structure for this paper.
Oh, it did. Good.
Yeah.
I didn't even realize it did. I see. Kashif approved it. Oh, great. That's good. So we do have progress. Excellent. Don't mind me. I don't know. I missed that PR. I didn't realize that PR was put up and merged.
So Dylan, this paper is something I'm interested to contribute to. When is the next? How can I get to know the updates on this? When would be the next meeting?
So there's a Slack channel. It's called Initiative infrastructure lifecycle with dashes in between on the CNCF Slack. That's a great place to kind of introduce yourself and to just kind of, you don't have to wait for approval, or if there's things, your specific sections that you want to draft or contribute content to, you're more than welcome to start. And just so we can get some momentum going. And then on this CNCF calendar, or I should say the LFX, the Linux Foundation Zoom setup, there's a calendar for Tag Infra. The initiative meeting is on that same calendar as the Tag Infrastructure meetings.
Okay.
I don't remember the exact date, but if you go on through the Linux Foundation meeting calendar and pull it up, you can actually use that same system to register for those meetings, and it'll send you a reoccurring meeting invite.
Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for joining and your interest in contributing. Happy to have you.
Okay, so this one just shows the existing initiatives. Let's see if there's anything that has infrastructure and need our attention. Okay, I'm not seeing anything new here.
There is one, I don't know if it's in the list. I think I saw it quickly, but that's the reason why I'm joining.
Yeah. So are you talking about this paper?
Yes.
I am reviewing this right now. I have not got a chance to add. Yeah, but I have already started reviewing. I will add some comments soon.
Perfect. I thought I didn't know when to raise it up, but
oh
perfect.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. This is the
together with Payam, we were in charge to bring the paper up. Even authors has been several, right? We took it when the initiative was already started.
Is this sorry? Is it looks like the that this is okay. Maybe this is the one I need to look. Sorry, I was okay. Yes, I think I actually I'm actually in the middle of looking at this one. I will add some comments. Yeah. So so this is I think this is nice. We probably should have something like this for our paper. We should add some kind of heading like this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Where does that come? Oops. What did I? Oh, that's weird. I don't know how do I go back on this? Anyone know what is the button to click to go back? Seems this undo does not work. All right, I will just copy this again. Okay. And then sub-projects review update. Let's see, which one do we have right now? Do we have any? Okay, I don't see any new projects here. Are we done? Maybe we have completed as we used to list the projects that have been in review here. Okay.
Yeah, I don't think there's I don't think there's any
ongoing, right? Okay.
Yeah, I don't think there's anything specifically ongoing that is representative of anyone from our tag assisting the project review.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. New.
I haven't been to the project review meeting in some time post KubeCon. But people, if you're interested in doing reviews, that's another great way to contribute outside of initiatives.
But this one actually should be, this is the storage side. I'm not sure who is the new keyword. Why there are two keyword? Keyword. Oh no, so this is not keyword tag review. Okay. All right. Okay, so I think those are all the items I have here. Are there anything else folks want to discuss in today's meeting?
Just a question on my side, Xinyan. The process specifically on this cloud native AI sustainability paper, you will review and you will contact us if anything is required, right? Or just update the GitHub.
You mean the AI sustainability paper, this one?
Yes, yes.
Oh, yes.
Just to understand the process.
I think I will add comments on because it's a pull request, right? I think I will just add comments there directly, right? That's okay, right?
Okay.
You have any other requirements? Or I think I probably will just add comments here when sorry, I always click on the wrong one. Yeah, I will just add comments on this PR directly, I think, right?
Yeah, that will work. The thing is just to understand the process. You make comments, we modify, right? And then send it back to you until everything is fine and the paper can be published, right? Is that how it works? Or
so I think I wouldn't be the only one who will be reviewing this, right? Is this definitely I can review it I can just see, my comments, what have been addressed. And then
it will be another queue to go through.
So that's the thing. Because this is a new process, so we also don't know, right? That's the reason that for example, the one we were just showing, like the cloud native web, we also submit a PR. We also want to know what's the new process, right? Who can. I think you probably also want to just check with your TOC liaison. I think maybe that's a good thing. We also want to check with our, so every tech has like a TOC liaison, right? Like for you, I think, who is your, let's see, environmental, this is which tag is this?
I think, well, we build it from the AI tag, but
AI.
sustainability might be now their operational restyling.
But it's not.
Oh, it's
AI is this
there.
one? Well, is that okay? Or is this not a part of a tag? I thought at least I think probably will be because you submit. Okay, let's see. You submitted this. I'll just go back and see. Oh, sorry. Let me check because you have to submit it under some a tag folder, right? Because that's how all the papers supposed to be. Okay, let me see where you submitted this one. I did not pay attention to that. Oh, initial. What is this folder? This is because, for example, ours are under the like this one. Okay, what is this? Is there an initiatives folder directly under?
There is for initiatives because you can have initiatives and sub-projects directly under the TOC.
Oh,
not it doesn't have to be under a tag, especially
okay.
if certain initiatives or sub-projects involve multiple tags.
Okay. Okay. So this would be. No, is a report is it just called initiatives? What is this called? Initiatives under CNCF? Oh no, under TOC, right? Is it under TOC?
Yeah, it's in the TOC repo.
Okay, right. TOC. I see. Okay, I guess I did not realize that. So so like the AI and all of this, basically you just submitted directly under here, right? So I think then, because this is directly on the TOC, you should talk to, you should ask TOC, right? But I think they probably need to approve this because this is on the TOC. Definitely, since this is related to tag info, I'm reviewing it, I can provide my feedback and I can just say, look good to me from my end, but I think you need someone from TOC to approve it since this is under this folder.
Okay, and who from TOC should I contact with? Because I'm lost, right, on what next from
that I don't know. You probably need to.
So,
You can ask. Oh yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, so I know this is confusing. The tags review is not is the content review, the technical review. The TOC's review is the actual more of the kind of like the paperwork review where they're
Like
not the one. It's kind of like it's kind of like a due diligence, very similar to how the project reviews are done, where there's a tech review, there's a governance review, and then the TOC member is just taking the results of those reviews and analyzing them, and then making a final decision. So in this case, the tags are involved to review the content of the initiative. And then as long as there's not, and it's not meant to be, we're not meant to be gatekeepers here. It's just meant to make sure that, I like to explain it like kind of like defending a dissertation a little bit, where you're looking for any gaps or any things just to make the initiative or the paper stronger. And then once that is done, the TOC member is not one that's going to kind of, really dig too deep into the content itself, as long as the representatives from the tag infra here, and then I think the other tag involved was operational reliability. As long as they approve it, the TOC is just going to do one kind of final handshake approval. And like we mentioned earlier in the meeting, the TOC meets the first and third of every Tuesday. They have public meetings on Zoom. And so once you have approvals from the tags, it'd probably be a good time, or I can help with getting kind of this raised up in front of the TOC in one of those meetings to get an actual TOC's members' eyes on it.
Okay, that's clear. Then let's wait for Xinjiang to finish the review, and we see if we need another review or we just go.
Yeah, exactly. I know it kind of feels like going through hurdles, but we'll do the best we can to kind of expedite it.
Okay, great. Dylan, now that I know your contact, I will ping you once we complete the comments back from Xinjiang.
Perfect. Sounds great.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yep.
All right. Sounds good. Anything else? If not, that's it for today. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.